A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Charles Robert Darwin, British geologist. 1890–1882. Ignorance more frequently begets confidence than does knowledge. Animals, whom we have made our slaves, we do not like to consider our equal. Man tends to increase at a greater rate than his means of subsistence. My mind seems to have become a kind of machine for grinding general loss out of large collections of facts. I have tried lately to read Shakespeare, and found it so intolerably dull that it nauseated me. On the ordinary view of each species having been independently created, we gain no scientific explanation. I am not apt to follow blindly the lead of other men. The mystery of the beginning of all things is insoluble by us, and I for one must be content to remain an agnostic. Intelligence is based on how efficient a species became at doing the things they need to survive. The highest possible stage in moral culture is when we recognize that we ought to control our thoughts. This preservation of favorable variations and the rejection of injurious variations I call natural selection, or the survival of the fittest. Keep steadily in mind that each organic being is striving to increase, that each at some period of its life has the struggle for life and suffer great destruction. The war of nature is not incessant. The vigorous, the healthy, and the happy survive and multiply.